What should be the standard size of kitchen for your house? Dear friends, planning a new home or remodeling your kitchen, one of the most important design questions is, what should be the standard size of a kitchen for your house? A standard kitchen size in most homes usually ranges between 8 times 8 feet to 12 times 12 feet. This size offers comfortable movement, better storage, and enough counter space for daily cooking. For small apartments or condos, a galley or compact kitchen of around 7 times 10 feet work efficiently. It allows space for essential appliances such as a refrigerator, oven, sink, and cabinetry without feeling overcrowded. In medium-sized homes, a 12 times 12 feet kitchen is considered ideal. It provides room for multiple work zones and supports popular layouts like L-shaped or U-shaped kitchens. For large homes and open-plan designs, kitchen sizes can go beyond 14 times 14 feet. These kitchens often include an island or breakfast bar, making them perfect for entertaining and family gatherings. Apart from size, clearance and layout are equally important. A minimum of 36 to 42 inches of walkway space between counters ensures safety and smooth workflow. Proper natural lighting, ventilation, and storage planning also enhance usability. Windows, skylights, and efficient cabinets make the kitchen brighter and more functional. In conclusion, there is no single perfect kitchen size. The best kitchen size depends on your home layout, lifestyle, and how you use the space every day. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.